body's calling. I want another.
Go. So now you've got True Detective showing on there. This is our brand new store, it's our flagship store. This is going to help us show the best of Sky to all of our customers.
I'm really proud to be here today. We've worked with Sky for over 10 years personally. And on opening we had the original iconic kiosk, and it's such a wonderful piece to be here today to see the second evolution of it. And I'm just extremely proud of what they've done and where our teams have worked together. And I look forward to extending the partnership a lot further.
You can always tell when a project's been successful when what you've seen on paper and I guess what you've had in your mind and in your head comes to life, and it is actually what you were expecting it to be. So yeah, it's wonderful. We love it.
We're really, really pleased with this. It's a massive step on from what we had. We always had an iconic kiosk. It's been fantastic. I think it looks, feels sharp, it's clean. The last one was a kind of very old school look, but now it's very, very modern and up to date, and it brings us into the 21st century.